Got beep beeps. So today we're gonna show you how to make a basketball hoop. So let's get to it. Look at that.
And look how to make the net.
Oh yeah, the net. What color try you?
Wait,
Where are you going?
Oh.
No.
Okay. Hold on, peeps. All right, the first thing I'm dealing with. Make sure you can see. Grab the corner. The first thing is to make this hoop with the net. So let's get to it. So first things first. You always have to grab the corner. The corner right here. And then I think this first I'm doing this yet again.
I can barely see it. Can you?
Okay. Let me fix this real quick. Okay, here, take it. Make sure you hold it tightly. Just go like this. Just pull and then just like that. Make sure you grab the most cornered area. Just in case you can't see it. Maybe like this is better so I can see what's next. Make sure I'm not going wrong. I'm not doing wrong stuff. Like this. Oh, this. The ropes have to go in. Make sure you can see. The camera can see. Okay, good. Get in. Oh wait. Now it's in all the magics. Like a keys. Yes. Just try my best. Okay. Let's do this again.
It's been 2 minutes now.
2 minutes? Look! Wow. Alright, just cut the video.
Right now?
See you when I finish this. Alright, the next thing you do is there's a ball, this bottom part here, and then you just put this little long rod into this part here. And then, see how it is compared to that picture? Just assemble that. Oops. Just assemble these two things over there. These screws, obviously. Good stuff. So the reason you need screws, you have to secure things in place so they don't go loose and fall. So, and right now there's a screw going there. This down the other. Anyways, right now there's a screw here. Oh, peeps. There we go. There's a screw over here. Oh, no. You should see it. Over there. Yeah, over here. Yeah, over here. And how freaking... Okay, there's another side here. Yeah, I think it might be a screw from... This is the screw itself. And then the other side is just a washer thing. Not like a washing machine. It's another secure thingy. That secures the main. So, okay, so there's screws on these parts here that attach to the rod. The tall rod, these two screws, put in there. So, oh yeah, the washers. Let's put that to the side. And then just put these. Oh, there's other screws inside. Yeah, thanks. Oops. On the other side. Doing the job.
Where's the face?
Oh yeah? I think.
There's 2 faces. This is the back side. This is the front side. Let's go right there.
Okay. Alright, I'm doing this. Just put this part here. I don't know what to call it, but yeah. I want to make sure this blue part's facing towards, because as the other... Sorry if you can't see, I'm just trying to do the job in the camera at the same time. Let me fix it. Sorry. Now I have this tool, so where you just turn to the right, and you just kept there. Let's use that. Because I was a bit struggling, so let's use it. Like that. Just turn right and just do turning. Turn. There you go. And then, let's see what's next. Oh my god. I don't know if y'all can see that. These things. Just screw. Okay. Let's see. Oh, right, now you add another rod that should be coming along. Wait a second. Yet again, we add a screw on this side. This side here. It's over here. Yeah, then I think we should add some more washer thingies. More securers. What I say. We add the thingy here.
This is 60 or 5 feet?
Hold on. This part here. Yeah, it is.
Can you put it to this part? Are you putting it to the smallest?
Hold on.
Can you put it to the smallest? Dang!
Yup.
How long is that?
I don't know, but oh yeah, that's the adjuster.
That's 6.8.
Never know yet. Shit. Alright. Let me rest on my back. Alright, put that in. Screw that in. The screw thing in, and wow, so far the base thing is looking good. You can actually move because the wheels are installed under. But unfortunately, you have to install them yourself. It's easy. Just snatch them in and then you're ready to go. Alright, now on this backboard thing is. I'll keep looking. Yeah, just put that in. This. Oops. Crap. Lost it. And then you just gotta line this. And then you just put the screw in. Alright, always it's like this. There we go. There we go.
No? This one.
That, yes. Make sure the
Right?
wrong ones. Oh yeah. Whoops. No worries. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh yeah.
This one is facing this way.
Yep. We gotta put the screws there. Okay. Just. Oh, let me check again. Okay, and then yeah.
Two right here.
Not too.
Okay.
There we go.
Washer. Washer.
Oh, wait, there's a. Put those there so I don't have to deal with so much.
Washer.
Oh, those. Washers. Grab them. All right, now use these. And it's these washers, and I just put them here. Check. Yeah, this. Oh yeah, push it on.
On top.
Opposite.
Huh?
This is the face. This will be the.
Should face the blue side. We have to. We should see the blue.
They're like screw to the right.
Of course.
Oh yeah.
Is that straight or not straight?
Oops.
Is it? Is it for now? Is it?
It's still loose a bit. There we go.
I can still stick.
Don't tie it. Is it?
Grounded and grounded. There we go. So loose a bit. It has to be secure. There we go. Here's the master. The master screwman.
The master screwman. Like this?
Yeah. What is mega screwman? Oh.
What a camera can barely see.
Sorry. Yeah, I can.
And why do you have to record every tutorial?
Because I want to put some and help people. Alright, let's go. Okay. Oh. Make sure, yes.
Can we just done this?
No, not yet.
Extension.
Extension. Oh, right. Extended his. Oh. There we go.
Show them.
This Mega Man. I don't have to. Just a little bit.
Wait, can I try?
Okay, here we go.
Anna, can I try?
Okay, I know. Yes, I can do it. Just can't tell. There we go. That's your teaching for the other side also. One more thing, you have to make that so much secure. Make it always secure. This part here. Got that. The screws here, make it always secure so it comes out the best results ever. Now the last thing is to just insert a rod. Oh. Okay. Two what? These.
Washer.
Washers.
Hold on.
Oh yes. Last. No, it's me. I have no idea yet. I don't know. I don't. Nuts. Washers.
How about that one?
Like this. I don't know.
Bolt?
Bolt.
B-O-L-T.
Oh yeah, I got it.
You Google it.
Okay. I don't know what that is.
Washer.
Washer.
Nuts.
Nuts.
Bolt.
Rod.
You look at it. YouTube.
Okay. Just gotta go in there. Yep, stuck in there. So bolt here, yeah.
The bolt. Washer.
Washer.
Inside right here.
Yep. Hold on just a second. Let's see. Wait, what? I don't know. Wait, what? Alright, now we just put. Well, we put the screw on. We put these parts, the rod in. Make sure the hole in screws allow. I mean, the bolt. Is it line? Yeah,
Two washers. The bolt.
two nuts, two washers. Rod. Clean. Oh, nice.
I don't want that. The bolt hit me, okay?
Yeah. Don't get us in the hospital. My battery's running low. All you have to do is put this in on the washers.
Okay, man. Alright.
Alright, see you. Alright, now we screw this part in. The screws in it more. Screw it in, screw it in.
I think this is the lost.
No, it's not. One more thing, we gotta screw these parts in. They screw these more. Yeah, those two in. Yeah, those two in. Make the screws in. Cool. Okay, oops. So today, like, we have to screw this part in, make sure it's secure, and then we attach that. Okay.
Okay.
Attaching that rod into here. Yippee! No close it though. Oh wait, before that, gotta flip that around. Is there planes? I like planes. Alright. Sorry, I don't planes. I don't see them. Alrighty, so let's put that in. Make sure that's where it in. Alright, this is getting assembled. The hook, the base, getting assembled together. Wow, look at this. This is so cool. That's actually good. Believe it or not, this actually cost me $100. Can't believe that. Yeah. One more thing. Screw in. Stuff for washers and nuts. There.
I need you to put mommy watering pot. I need you to put it right. You know what this is?
No. Alright, peeps, so we need this. We need water for the load on the base. I'll show you when you fill it in. Got this thing in, the water takers. We use that to fill it up, and then you can go fill up that tank on the base. The base, so it deals with weight. See you when I got that on. What did I do? It's fine.
Y'all see that hole? Reiner!
Sorry, I don't know. It's just water coming out. Unexpected days.
You made a big mess.
It's part of the game.
It's part of the game. Ain't said making a mess is part of the game?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, heck no.
It took me a minute to fill up the water.
Because there's so much water. Reiner! Why would you do that? You think no water's gonna...
Okay, so now I have this refill because my ears like these are going on.
Reiner, why are you making a big mess?
It has to go in.
You think that's gonna dry?
On the pips.
Hello. Maybe a big.
Alright, so let's put water in.
Again? This is the third time.
Just fling it.
Oh, really?
Right now, get it in.
Bro. Let's.
Sorry, sir.
This is the fourth
Yes, fourth try because of mess.
part of the game, buddy. Are you for real? This is probably gonna dry up in like a week or something, or like 3 days. Who the hell is that? Is this good? Is this enough? Oh, finally.
Yeah, but I'm not freaking use.
You can do a layup. You think you can do a layup? Do a layup. Great.
Alright, no. God, go play basketball.
What?
Go play like this again. Let me fix this. Alright, now the basketball hoop is complete. This took me an hour. Also got wipers. Okay. Haha. I can make this higher if you want.
That's a towel.
Now my friend's playing basketball.
How's that not?
You it!
Oh, my ball.
Well, too bad, so sad. Just bounce it a bit and then just... That new $20 ball. Good.
Kobe. This is for everybody. Come on.
Just tell them that they need to ask us. They need to ask both of us before you use it. But you can use it whenever you want.
Yep.
And your other friends like and your other friends like Aubrey, they need to ask us before you.
Yeah. Why would you make the last?
Yeah. Same. Why don't you just take it away and then?
He always show up for everything. Kobe.
Exactly.
Nah.
So rude.
Kobe.
Yeah, my parents are stopping.
Okay.
Right over.
There's no way I missed that match. Well, if Aubrey has the don't
Yeah, any people I trust including you. And the others.
You can actually Aubrey.
Yeah, no, not at all.
Oh, you can trust me actually.
I don't allow anyone dunking. I don't trust those people dunking. I think you can dunk. Do the dunking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I can't.
Alright, so this is what it is for setting up this basketball hoop, assembling it up, and then testing it out. So, see you. Bye.